Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am here to discuss on square and square roots followed by cube and cube roots. आज मैं वर्ग और वर्गमूल, घन और घनमूल पर चर्चा करने के लिए आया हुआ हूँ. As we all are aware that in every competitive examination we are finding questions of simplification, and in simplification square and square root, cube and cube roots are the part and parcel. ये हम आप सभी जानते हैं कि ऑनलाइन परीक्षा में सिंप्लीफिकेशन के पार्ट में वर्ग और वर्गमूल, घन और घनमूल एक अभिन्न अंग बनकर रह जा रहे हैं आजकल. एट द सेम टाइम वी आर फाइंडिंग यूटिलिटी ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट, क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट in the topic of compound interest and population before and after n years also. So this is very important for all of us to understand the concept of square and square root, cube and cube root. We will try to understand this by way of observation, by way of formulation, by way of some other short tricks also. So let us begin the discussion of square and square roots first. Here I take one to 10 numbers in a column. I can write these numbers taking twice also. Here I have taken a table of numbers 1 to 10. Again I have written the same number repeating behind it. So before I look at this thing, let me focus on square. Here is the square, a figure in which all the sides are equal. Let me take all the sides are a only. Once all the sides are equal, naturally all the angles has to be equal also. Means all the angles will be of 90 degree. At the same time, if I talk about cube, we should know the base of the cube is a square only. In the cube also we find if this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height, then all the measurements are same, AA. So what we observe here, if we find out the area of this square, it is written to be A into A equal to A square, and here volume of cube is written as length, breadth into height. LBH. We can write it shows that in the square we are raising the base to the power of 2. Square means raising the बेस पावर बाई 2। यहां पर हम देखते हैं कि यदि हम स्क्वायर की बात करें तो स्क्वायर में हम बेस की घात को 2 तक बढ़ा रहे हैं। यहां पर हम देख रहे हैं दिस a इज बेस एंड दिस 2 इज पावर। सो इन द स्क्वायर वी आर रेजिंग द बेस पावर बाई 2। आधार की घात को हम 2 तक बढ़ा रहे हैं स्क्वायर में, वेयर एज इन द क्यूब वी आर रेजिंग द बेस पावर by 3. In the cube, we are raising the base power by 3. That is why we are writing it a raised to power 3. Here we are writing a raised to power 2. So now let us come back to this table. If we multiply 1 by 1, we are getting 1. If I multiply 2 by 2, we are getting 4. If I multiply 3 by 3, we are getting 9. If I multiply 4 by 4, we are getting 16. If I multiply 5 by 5, we are getting 25. If I multiply 6 by 6, we are getting 36. If I multiply 7 by 7, we are getting 49. If I multiply 8 by 8, we are getting 64. If I multiply 9 by 9, we are getting 81. If I multiply 10 by 10, we are getting 100. So this is the table only which we all are knowing. And here the same number is multiplied by the same number if we are trying to find out the square of this number. Here is the number, here is the square of the number. This is the square of the number. Now, if I look at this 11, 22, 33, 44, all these numbers are the factor of 11 up to 99. Here, all these numbers are factor of 11. Means, if we try to find out the square of 22, 33, 44 and up to 99, if we remember the square of 11, we can find out the square of all these numbers easily. So, let me connect you to the natural routine activity which we all are doing every day. चलो टहलने चलते हैं. चलो टहल कर आते हैं. Here I want to give it a natural connectivity. Here I want to find out square of 11. So I can write it 11 into 11. Now assume as I am not knowing the square of 11. So what can be done to find out it easily? Here I am assuming that both these one are very similar to each other. यहाँ पर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि दोनों एक जैसे ही हैं, तो क्यों ना मैं इन्हें जब टहलने जा रहा हूँ तो अपने रास्ते का एक पोल समझ लूँ और वो पोल दोनों ही एक जैसे हैं। ये पोल 2 क्या 3 भी हो सकते हैं, 4 भी हो सकते हैं, जितने भी पोल क्यों ना हो, लेकिन हैं तो सभी एक जैसे। लेकिन ऐसे में जब मुझे आगे तक जाना है और वापस भी आना है, तो मुझे पहचान के लिए इनको एक आइडेंटिटी तो देनी ही होगी। तो मैं इनको एक आइडेंटिटी दे देता हूं। Here I give it number 1, here I give it number 2. Now think, I have started my journey from 1 reached to 2. Now from this place I am coming back to 1 only. So what I am finding here, I am getting a U of my walking path. So I can say the path gives me 121. If I take this square of 111, I can write it like this. So how I have to form my way? I will form my way like this. I will give it a number, pole number. Now I started from 1 to 3 and coming back from 3 to 1. So it will give me 1 to 3 to 1. Similarly, if I take here 4 times 1, it will give me the path like 1, 2, 3, 4. So last pole is my 4 and reaching from 4, I am coming back. So again I am getting here like this. This was the path of mine. So it will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. This is applicable to this kind of number like 11 means all the number are of same. If I take 22 also, square of 22, I can write it 2 into 11 into 2 into 11. So this 11 square I am already knowing 121 and this is giving me 4. So very easily I am getting 484. This is the answer. Similarly, if I take square of 33, I can write it 3 into 11 into 3 into 11. So this 11 into 11 is giving me already 121 and this 3 into 3 is giving me 9. So very easily I am getting answer 1089. This is the concept applicable to the squares of 11 and numbers which are factors of 11. Here we can use this चलो टहल कर आते हैं concept very easily, and this is very prompt and quickest way to find the answer for the numbers which are in the form of 11 or in the form of factors of 11 only. Now let us see the formula based concept which is applicable to square. आइए जो कॉन्सेप्ट हमारी फॉर्मूला पर आधारित है उस पर भी चर्चा करते हैं. Square of 11 I can write like this, whole square of 10 plus 1. We all are knowing the formula x plus y whole square is equal to x square in the last y square plus in between twice of x and y. So if we see based on this concept, we are getting here 100 plus 1 in the last plus twice of these numbers 20. So this gives us 121. We can follow this also, but it is not required. We can take this number directly also. We can take this number. We can omit the sign here. Let us see x and y. These are the two numbers. Let us forget the sign and assume this x square, y square and 2xy in between. Based on this concept also, if I take square of 11, I will see 1 square 1, 1 square 1, twice of these numbers 2. So that way also we are getting the same answer. This way also we are getting the same answer, and this is the proven formula based square finding method. We can take any number, it will be proved. If I take here 12 square, it will give us 1, 4, in between 4. Similarly, if I take square of 13, it will give us 1, 9, 6. If I take square of 14, it will give us 1, 8. So here 1 square 1, 4 square 16. Here we will take the 16 number like this. Means जो नंबर हमारा राइट साइड में है वो यूनिट डिजिट हो जाएगा, जो लेफ्ट साइड में स्लिप होके आ रहा है वो हमारा 10th डिजिट हो जाएगा, एंड 10th डिजिट विल टेक द एडिशन पोजीशन हियर. सो इट विल गिव अस 196 like this. At the same time, we are getting a very good concept for the number आगे बैठा हो 5 तो पीछे वाले को उसके अगले नंबर से गुणा करके पांच के वर्ग के पहले बैठाएं. If 5 is in the front position and some other number is behind, in that way if we are going to find out the square, then what is being said here? It is said here that you take the square of 5, that is 5 5 is 25 in the front, and the number which is behind, you multiply that number to its next number and place it before 25. So let us see here. If I want to square of 15, I have to write it 15 into 15, but the way he is telling आगे बैठा 5 means 5 is sitting here, so 5 into 5 will give us 25. This 5 is sitting ahead and this 1 is in the behind. So what is being said here? You multiply this 1 by its next number, that is number 2. So it will give us 2. So you put it here like this. In this fashion, in this formation, you take any number. Let me take 25. It will give me 25 and 2 into next number of 3, 6. Similarly, if I take 35 square, again it will give me 5 5s are 25, and 3 4s are 12. So that way we can find the square of numbers in which 5 is there. In the process of finding out the squares, sometimes we find the numbers which are very close to the perfect number. Means कभी कभी हम जब वर्ग पता करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि दिया हुआ नंबर जो हमारा परफेक्ट नंबर हो जाता है उसके बहुत ही करीब होता है। तो ऐसे में स्क्वायर हम निकालने के लिए कभी कभी भ्रम में पड़ जाते हैं। तो ऐसे में हमसे गलती ना हो उसके लिए हम क्या करें? लेट अस सी, आइए देखते हैं। लेट मी सी, I want to find out the square of 39. So this 39 is very close to 40. So I can write it 40 minus 1 whole square. And we all are well versed with this formula also. X minus y whole square gives us x square. In the last, y square. And in between minus twice of multiplication of both these numbers. So based on this formula also we can find the answer very easily. Here let us check. It is giving us 1521 because 40 multiplied by 40, 4 4 is 16 and 2 0 1600. 1 minus 1 plus 1 into twice of both these numbers. So 42s are 80 and minus 80 it becomes. If we reduce 1600, if we reduce 80 from 1600, it is left 1520 and 1 plus is already there. So it is here 1521. Means square of 39 gives us 1521. That way also we can find out the square of such numbers. But best way to learn the squares is to do the practice. When we are doing the practice, automatically these figures are remembered and take the picture image in our mind, and when we are seeing it comes directly. So now we have discussed on squares. Now we will see how we find the touch with the compound interest and population before or after n years. Here we are oftenly seen in the examination that a sum of 10,000 becomes 13,000. Let me write a sum of, let me take 1,000. A sum of 1,000 becomes 1331 in 3 years at the CI rate. Find the rate of CI. हमसे ये कहा जाता है कि 1,000 रुपये 3 साल में 1,331 रुपये हो गया, तो ये चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज की दर से हुआ। ऐसे में चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज की दर पूछी जाती है हमसे, तो ये हम कैसे बता सकते हैं? यदि हमको आसानी से क्यूब पता हो तो बड़े आसानी से बता सकते हैं हम, बिकॉज वी आर नोइंग A इक्वल टू P इंटू 1 प्लस r% raised to the power time value. So here I can write it a upon p equal to 1 plus r% raised to the power 3. Now a is given 1331 and p is given 1000. So 1 plus r% raised to the power 3. I can write this 1331 11 cube and 1000 10 cube. So I can write this 11 by 10 whole cube. It is equal to r% raised to the power 3. Since both the side powers are equal, here also 3, here also 3. So I can cut these powers or I can omit these powers. Now what is left here? It is left here 11 by 10 equal to 1 plus r%, or we can say r% is equal to, this 1 will come this side, so it will become 11 by 10 minus 1. So what it will form? It will form 11 minus 10 by 10, means here we will be getting 1 by 10 equal to r%, or we can write it r upon 100. So 1 by 10 is equal to r upon 100. Now you cut this face to face. So what is left here? In the cross multiplication, r is equal to 10. Means rate of interest CI is 10% only. That way it helps us to find out the answer easily if we are knowing the squares and cubes of the numbers. For the sake of remembering purpose, we have taken numbers and number squares. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64, square of 9 is 81, square of 10 is 100, square of 11 is 121, square of 12 is 144, square of 13 is 169, square of 14 is 196, square of 15 is 225, square of 16 is 256, square of 17 is 289, square of 18 is 324, square of 19 is 361, and square of 20 is 400. So that way we can remember the squares of the numbers. We will take some more numbers also here. Again, I have taken some more numbers. So let us see these numbers also. Like the square of 21 is 441, square of 22 is 484, square of 23 is 529, square of 24 is 576, square of 25 is 625, square of 26 is 676, and square of 27 is 729. Here very easy to remember. Just take the number reverse one, 7 to 9. This 27 you have made it 72, and in the last summation of these numbers, so it becomes 7 to 9. Now for the square of 28, it becomes 784, square of 29 becomes 841, square of 30 becomes 900, square of 31 becomes 961, square of 32 becomes 1024. This is very important. We are very oftenly finding this number 32 and 1024. We are finding it 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. So this becomes a point to give a connectivity. 1024 where we find when we find the square of 32. So square of 33 is 1089, square of 34 1156, square of 35 1225, square of 36 1296, square of 37 1369, square of 38 1444. Here also see, if it is the 38 square, now you are seeing 1 followed by 3 consecutive 4s, and the square of 39 is 1521, square of 40 is 1600, square of 41 is 1681, square of 42 is 1764, square of 43 is 1849, square of 44 is 1936, square of 45 is 2025, square of 46 is 2116, square of 47 is 2209, square of 48 is 2304, square of 49 is 2401, square of 50 is 2500, square of 51 is 2601, square of 52 is 2704, square of 53 is 2809, square of 54 is 2916, square of 55 is 3025, square of 56 is 3136, square of 57 is 3249, square of 58 is 3364, square of 59 is 3481, square of 60 is 3600. This is the table we have provided for ease of seeing. आसानी से देखने के उद्देश्य से हमने ये टेबल यहां पे प्रोवाइड कर दी है. अदरवाइज वी हैव discussed the ways and means by which we can find out the square easily of any given number. Of course, many other tricks are there, but we don't want to discuss those tricks because we want to keep the things easy, not the confusing one. So for the day, I conclude my discussion here itself, keeping in mind the point of better understanding. अच्छे से समझने की बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए आज मैं अपनी चर्चा को यहीं विराम दे रहा हूँ. But in the coming class, we will see the square root of the given numbers. How we can find out square roots of the given numbers, followed by how we can find out cube and cube roots of the given numbers. So, if you like our video or our content, please like. If you dislike, please mention in the comment section so that we can improve upon that. Also, if you are feeling touching with us, please subscribe our channel. It will give us a boost to impart the better content for all the needy people. Some people are very intelligent, but we are knowing, you are knowing, all are not intelligent enough. There are people who are belonging from the very root level. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि ज़मीनी स्तर से जुड़े हुए हैं. हम जानते हैं कि कुछ लोग अत्यधिक होशियार हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत होशियार हैं. तो ऐसे में if they are so, we welcome them. They can share their experience in the comment section, so it will be beneficial for the other people also. At the same time, we request all the people available here and watching our video, being on our channel, to mention in the comment section whether the contents are based on the ease of doing. यानी कि हमारे द्वारा प्रदान किए गए जो तथ्य हैं क्या वो आसानी से, सुगमता से भरे हुए हैं या नहीं। ऐसा होने से जो हमने कोशिश की है अपने डिस्कशन को एक अपने नेचुरल रूटीन एनवायरनमेंट से जोड़ने की, उस दिशा में हमको एक सार्थक कदम बढ़ाने की प्रेरणा मिलेगी, क्योंकि हम अपने पढ़ाने के उद्देश्य को रूट लेवल से जुड़े हुए लोगों तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं। साथ ही साथ इसको जो हमारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी है उससे जुड़ा हुआ भी बना के रखना चाहते हैं, जिससे कि याद रखने में आसानी बनी रहे। सो थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग विद अस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो। धन्यवाद।